In this video I will show you how to replace the gears in the Traxxas X-Max servo, and for that you will need a new set of gears. I have bought the steel gears, so it also is a upgrade. So let's start with taking apart the servo. Now I have taken off all the screws. Let's see how it opens. It's just a few moving parts. I don't have to do a lot of cleaning because the servo is quite clean from the inside. I'm going to reuse the bearings because they don't come in the kit. I also need to reuse the rubber seal, but there is a washer and some other small part that comes in the kit, so let's take that out. Well, this is it. Now let's do it again, because this was the first time I've put it together. So now let's do it again step by step. So you start with the servo without any gears on it. Then you place the first gear in. You place the axle in there. Then you take this gear and you place it on top of here. Then you place the bearing at the bottom, as also this plastic cap. As you can see, it has 2 points sticking out, which fits the inside of the gear, so you have to line it up and place that over there, which prevents it from turning 360 degrees, so it's a limiter. Then you place the final gear. You place the top bearing on the outgoing gear, because this gear is going to stick out, and you mount the servo horn to this. On top of the bearing you place a shim, and on top of that you place the rubber seal, and that's how you put the gears together. I am going to apply some gear grease here and there Not too much, just a little bit, because the original gears also have a little bit of grease. And they use PTFE grease, which is the white stuff that's on top of the gears. So let me get some grease and a small brush. For this I am going to use gear grease. Which is quite thick and sticky. So it is going to stick to the gears. I'm going to use a brush to apply it in between the teeth. So now I've got that covered. It doesn't look really clean, but that's not the point. The point is to have maximum lubrication so that the gears won't wear down. Now I'm going to close it back up. Now it's closed back up. Let's test it out. Let me get a receiver, a remote, some batteries and an ESC. Receiver is turned on, or the remote. Now let's turn on the ESC. That works fine. Now we're good to go to put it back into the X-Max. And that is how you replace the gears in the X-Max servo.